Hello everyone, my name is Andre and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an absolutely amazing car cleaning toolkit. This one was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course this is my own opinion on it. So if you like to get your hands dirty and clean your car on your own, you definitely need a kit like that, because with this one you're gonna be able to clean your car and all the details inside the car, because this one is great for dust and snow, high quality cotton material and silicone soft edges inside that you can easily use in order to clean all the details of your car, as from outside as from inside, and of course different kind of brushes in order to do so. Just look at that set. This one you can easily use in order to connect with a screwdriver, electric screwdriver, in order to go deep with that cleaning. And of course just screw it in and place it on the screwdriver. And as I was telling you, you have gloves in order to clean that and wash it by yourself. Super easy, super amazing, super soft and super pleasant by touch actually inside. And as I was telling you, with the screwdriver you're going to be able to use different kind of brushes and sizes in order to reach that destination that you need. Look at those brushes. All the details are going to be sparkly and shiny after you're going to use. Look at those sponges that you can easily use in order to change and install on this holder right here that goes straight to the screwdriver. And of course another set of towels in order to finish that cleaning. Of course this one also comes with an instruction manual showing you which brush can clean what. Absolutely amazing. So if you guys are ready to take it for a spin, I'm gonna tell you how easily you can use it with the car, so follow me. Using those amazing tongs you can easily clean the grills of the fan inside the car. Using those brushes in the kit, you're going to be able to go deep to those corners that are hard reachable by hand. Using this cleaning towel glove, you're going to be able to clean the dust of the interior of the car super easily and super pleasant, super easy to work with in order to clean the dust of inside the car. But of course you can easily scrub your car on the outside when you are washing it for a maximum pleasure getting from the washing your car on the beautiful sunny day. Also, this glove is great to use on the outside of your car in order to take the dust out of the surface. Super easy to apply and super easy to use. The towel that is included in the kit can be used on a daily basis in order to wipe the dust or the water out of the car on a daily basis. Super easy to apply also and super easy to use. Also, as I mentioned, the kit includes different kind of brushes and sponges that you can easily use with an electric screwdriver in order to target different parts of the car. Front lights, wheels will require the deep clean using those brushes, which are super easy to apply as this sponge right now on the electric screwdriver. This special brush is designed to target hard-to-reach areas, basically those ones that you cannot reach with regular brushes. So So if you guys are looking for a car cleaning toolkit like this one, you should definitely have to consider this one, because this one is definitely a recommendation from me. My name is Andre and I absolutely approve this message.